Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
That is the morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
कितना बजे से बोलना चाहिए? कितना बजे के बाद?
एक साल
खत्म हो गया तो नहीं हो
Let's start. Now all of you, pay your kind attention. In our previous class, we have studied about wildlife. We have seen the definition of the wildlife. Right now also we will discuss some of the questions related to the wildlife. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it, the questions. Okay, what are habitat? Yeah, this is one of the question. What are habitat? This is natural home of an animal. This is called an habitat. Then we have the question from our topic, that is, what is wildlife? That is, what is wildlife? So, wildlife it is collection. Wait, my dear. आ रहे हैं बेटा. चलो देखो यहाँ पर वाइल्ड लाइफ क्या है. It is combination of plant and animal which grow together, live together in a natural environment. This is called wildlife. Wildlife can be felt everywhere. Either you are on the mountain, there is some plant and some animal which grow together. Okay, when you are on the river, where you are in the river, you can also see some of the aquatic plants and aquatic animals which grow together and which live together. Okay, then again, definition. Then this was the definition of the wildlife. After the definition of the wildlife, we have the, oh my god, then we have the topic about the extinct animals. Okay, what are extinct animals? The animals or the species, the animal which are no longer on the earth. The animal or the species of animal which are no longer on the earth. Okay. Okay, they are called extinct animal. Example of this is messenger pigeon, golden toad. Then we have another thing, another question, that is what are endangered species? Now the animals or the species of animals which are numerous, which are countable, which are on the verge of becoming extinct, they are called endangered species. Endangered, खतरा में है, ठीक। After endangered species, then after endangered species, we have the next term. It is of endangered species. Okay, you would have taken down an example about the endangered species. Then after endangered species, we have the next question. That is water wildlife trade. Water wildlife trade. Wildlife trade means trade. Here first it has made from three words. The first word is wild, second word is life, and third word is trade. Wildlife trade. Wildlife trade. Anybody can answer? Is anybody willing to answer this question? Wildlife trade. Anybody? Priyanshu, unmute your audio. Tell me what is wildlife trade. It is too much problematic during this hour. It is too much problematic during this hour. Regularly, I find it problematic. So wildlife trade is made up of two words. Wildlife trade, three words, wildlife and trade. I have already defined what is wildlife. It is combination of plant and animal which live together. They are said to be in wildlife. Okay. Now, can you answer, Priyanshu? Unmute yourself. Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Tell me
Yes,
what is.
yes,
Tell
sir.
me what is wildlife trade.
In many parts of world, wildlife is in a danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activity. The elephant trades are wildlife trade. Elephants are hunted for their tugs. Their tugs for
My question
us.
is about the definition. Would you like to define? Harshit?
There are animals which are being killed because their body parts used by humans. This is known as a wildlife trade.
Okay, Harshit? Can you answer? Harshit? Harshit? Harshit Kumar, 5F. Utsav, class 5. Unmute your audio. Utsav.
Yes, sir.
Do you know something about the wildlife trade?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Simple answer is that I don't know. A very simple answer is that I don't know. Okay. Wildlife. Trading with the wildlife. Trading. Why trading is done? Trading is done with a motive to gain the profit. Om Sarkar. Om Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is wildlife trade?
Sir, killing animal without any reason and also the trade is called wildlife trade.
No, there is reason. In wildlife trade, there is a reason that we want to attend, we want to get profit, we want to make profit. Okay, unlawful killing of wild animal with motive to earn profit from the body parts. Okay, I hope you have understood. This is unlawful killing. Okay, unlawful killing of the wild animal with motive to gain the profit price from body part. This is called wildlife trade. Okay, and here we have the animal or a species NOC. What are wildlife trade? Commercial activity. Wildlife trade is a commercial activity with the body part of the wild animal, with the body part of the wild animal. This is called wildlife trade. Or in other words, you can also say killing wild animal to earn profit by selling the body parts. Example, lion is killed for for the teeth. Okay, and the teeth of lion is used in ornaments, the decorative item. Lion is also killed. Lion is also killed to obtain the different body parts. Are the wildlife trade harmful for wildlife? This is the homework. Okay, you will do it. Write down question.
सर वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रेड क्या है? ये होमवर्क है.
वो होमवर्क नहीं है, होमवर्क जो है हम बता रहे हैं, लिख दे रहे हैं.
यस सर.
ठीक है, आई विल राइट, लेट मी राइट इट. How are wildlife trade harmful? This is the okay. This is question. How wildlife trade is harmful for wildlife? And second question, the seventh question before you is, next question before you will be,
सर स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं आया.
अच्छा, why these animals? I hope it you got it. आ जाएगा.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं आ रहा है.
आ जाएगा, लिख लो तब तक. How wildlife trade is harmful for wildlife? How wildlife trade is harmful for wildlife? How अब आ गया ना? Why these animals are hunted? Elephant, lion, okay. Rhinoceros, then musk deer, okay. Frog. Why they are hunted? Okay. Why they are hunted? This is your homework. To take it down. Okay. You will send it during evening. Okay. You complete it and you send it. I will check all your homework during evening. Okay. I hope all of you have understood it. Next. Come to the next topic. So you can see here the answer of your question lies here. Okay, fine. Musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi. Okay, kasturi is an ingredient for the many perfumes. Variety of mountain goat is hunted because its hair is a very expensive variety of wool that is called pashmina wool. Okay, tigers, endangered species in the range. It is used to make their bones. They are killed to make the use of their bones. Okay, the claw, jaw are worn as jewelry by many superstitious person. ठीक है, leg of frog are
Last period नहीं
eaten.
दिखेगा.
Leg of frog are eaten as they are considered to be the delicacy. About 200 million to 1 billion. These are some of the reason of the wildlife trade. Okay. Next. Next. So I hope you have understood the wildlife trade. Then we have.
Yes, sir.
How can we protect our wildlife? The question is here. How can we protect the wildlife? Government of India has enacted the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 with the objective of effectively controlling poaching and illegal trade in wildlife. This has been amended in January 2003. Punishment and penalty for offense under Act has been made more stringent. Okay. One student, he has raised his hand. What happened to you? Wait. Next. Next, food chain and food web. Next topic is food chain and food web. So what is food chain? It is a process of who eats whom. The food chain. So how each living
Sir,
organism.
I know the answer of food chain.
No, you wait. I have to teach it. Okay, what is food chain? Food chain, it is a process of eating who eat whom. Okay, who eat whom. This is called food chain. Okay, then we have the other topic, that is food web. Okay, mute yourself. Most animals are part of more than one food chain. Most animals are part of more than one food chain. They also eat more than one kind of animal in order to meet their food requirements. Such interconnection of food chain form a food web. So here there is question, two topics. One is food chain and other is food web. Food chain means who eat whom, right? Who eat whom. This is one food chain. Like let's suppose uh, insect eat leaf. Okay, let me show you here. Insect eat leaf and frog eat insects. Snake eat frog, and then the frog is eaten by somebody else. So this is one food chain. Who eat whom? कौन किसको खाता है? ये हो गया food chain. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड फूड चेन. अब एक फूड चेन का जो लिविंग बीइंग है वो बहुत सारे फूड चेन में होता है. ठीक है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फूड चेन. सो वन एनिमल कैन बी फाउंड इन most of the animal can be found in more than one food chain. Okay, and they also eat more than one animal to complete their food, to meet their food requirement. वो एक से ज्यादा चीज खाता है. And this form of food web. So basic question is, what is difference between food chain and food web? Who eat whom? This is called food chain. And what is food web? One of the animal or any animal of the food chain eat more than one kind of animal in order to meet the requirement of food. So they are interdependent. Such interconnected food chain. In simple, in one line we can say interconnection of food chain is called food web. Okay. Any problem to anybody in understanding food chain and food web?
No, sir.
If you have anybody has problem, please raise your hand. Food chain and food web. Food chain, who eat whom? Okay, who eat whom? This is called food chain. Okay, this is called food chain. Okay, an interconnection of food chain. This is called food web. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, this is called interconnection of food chain or interdependent of. Okay, wait. Unmute yourself, Apurva Singh.
Sir, what is caviar?
Huh?
Sir, what is caviar?
Sir, Batista.
Tell me page number.
Sir, 42.
This name of an animal. Caviar, another very costly delicacy, is made up of unfertilized egg of variety of fish. Okay, so this is uh, ये caviar, another very costly delicacy. It is made up of unfertilized egg of variety of fish. However, this has led to steady decline in the number of variety of fish. वो fish का कोई प्रजाति, fish से कुछ कंज्यूम किया जाता है, कुछ बनाया जाता है, उसके बारे में बताया गया है। सनमय चौहान, unmute yourself. सनमय चौहान. Okay. So if you have anybody else, if you have any problem, what is difference between the food chain? Food, simple, in 3 words I am saying: who eat whom. This is called food chain.
With whom you are talking this much? Hmm?
सर मैं अपना बुक पढ़ रही थी।
Okay.
Okay.
Mute yourself. So I hope you have understood the difference between the food chain and food web. You will do all the question. Alam Sadia, unmute your audio. Anybody of you, if you have problem in the food chain and food web? Now, how can we take care of animals? Okay. Here is what we can do to prevent the cruelty of animals. Do not throw polythene bag in the garbage. Stay cattle. Extra cattle can swallow, and then they can
during the summer, you will be able to see many birds coming there to quench the thirst. Okay, now what we need with the animals.
I hope you have got it. बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रहा है ये लड़का, ये लड़की, अपूर्वा सिंह. Too much you are talking. Next, how can we protect the animals? Okay, In order to protect the animals, there are different ways. We should not put the animal in the cage. We should not put the animal in the cage. When we are visiting the zoo, we should not take off the egg of the birds, and we should not tease the animal. Okay, these are some of the things which we can take care with the animals. We can be sympathetic. Internet connectivity is also very poor. I think today I have connected 10 times I have connected. 10 times I have connected. Okay. So tomorrow we will conclude this chapter. Okay, this is the chapter 4, and I think I am teaching you from chapter 5. What is meaning of stagnant? Stagnant means very strict action. Okay, strict, right? I hope. Any problem to anybody? Astha Sinha. There is a girl, I can see her on the screen. Please unmute yourself. Astha. Astha Sinha, unmute yourself. Anybody, any problem? If you have any problem, let me know. Else, internet connectivity is very unstable. Now I am closing the class. 2 minutes is left. 2 minutes before I am closing the class. Do the homework and send it to my WhatsApp. Stick